there, we're going to do a craft today. I hope with no interruptions. Miss Maggie's laying out on the deacon bench. So I brought my little container out with some craft stuff. Got a mess here in front of me. Just kind of pick and choose them. And we are going to do a snow globe. Now this here is to hold the water, and here is a cover. Well, let me tell you, this thing is so hard to get out. Mr. R had a hard time getting it out, so I am not putting it in because I'm not using water. Now, if you have something that you can do for Christmas that you can use water or baby oil and you can shake it around, but I'm not. What I'm going to do is stationary. I'm gonna wing it. I have no idea what we're gonna come up with. I've just got some stuff in front of me. That's it. Now it says it's a shatterproof water globe. I got it at the Dollar Tree. It's plastic globe. You can use hot melt adhesive or glue gun. Use fake or glitter snow, water, or a small figurine or an ornament. And then it just says stand in the middle of the globe and just decorate how you want. So I'm going to bring you down. I've got a bunch of stuff in front of me, and let's have fun. I hope you're close enough where you can see me. Can always bring it closer to you. No, maybe back right there. Okay, here's the here's the cover. So we're going to start with a Christmas tree, and I didn't know what to put on the top. This here is a new glue gun to me. I've got a great big one, but this is such a little project. I've never used this one. I already hot glued my finger once because I didn't think it was working, but I assure you, it's working. We're gonna use a little styrofoam ball right there. Well, if she stays up there, we're gonna use it. Let's see here. I'll start super gluing my fingers together and we'll know it. Should have got my little pink things that I use to hold when I'm super gluing. Sure, it does help me. Some folks it doesn't help, but it helps me. I don't think that glue's all that hot. I may have to get my other big gun out. Seemed like took a while. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some hot glue right around here. Wow, I've almost gone through one already. Just gonna put a bunch of it because I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Okay. Wow. Goes through these little sticks quick, I guess. Gotta hurry up here. I'm just gonna put a whole bunch here because I don't know what I'm doing, but we're about to find out. That's why they say it's art. It's your own art, your creation. Okay, I don't like this little gun. Maybe I'll see if I can find a medium one. We're gonna stick this right in the middle, or I think it's the middle, not sure. And then these little presents. I thought maybe I could stick them on. Maybe I can't. I don't know. Maybe it won't work. Nope, it looks like they are too big. Son of a gun. Well, I got little bells here. I bet these are gonna be too big too. We will see. Oh, I didn't know these came on a string. Well, they're not gonna be on a string now, not this one. Whoa! Well, by golly, I guess they have to be on a string. Oh well. See if they'll fit in there. They'll fit in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use a little super glue. We're gonna tack them back on. Just like this. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Guess we'll do it like this. Your guess is going to be as good as mine. So I'm going to go around the tree because I seem to be burning up time very quickly, and I will bring you back. Okay, I'm back. I've got these tops glued on, and I laid this one down, and this one I did an upright. I think I'm going to do it in an upright. I think. And we're going to start right here. We're going to go red. As I was doing this, I was thinking, you know how we all think. Never done this before. Just making this up as I go. I've never seen it. So if there's somebody out there that's done it, well, I have no idea because I was just thinking, and this is what I came up with my crafts. Really wished I could have made some Christmas presents, but oh well, it is what it is, and that's how it is. One other thing I wanted to do, and I should have done that first, is I wanted to put a trim on the bottom. I don't know if I can still do it or not. I may not. I do not like little mini glue guns. I don't think they're hot enough, or this particular one is not. I think I got this one at Dollar General. There, isn't this kind of cute? Let's see, am I going to be able to fit two? Oh, I hope I didn't mess this up. I should have started kind of in the front, but I didn't. Oh well, it is what it is. I think it'll be, I'm fussy. I think I can squeeze two in there. Squeeze them tight. Maybe I can. Just like this. Well, why am I having a hard time now? There. Push, she'll go easy. Maybe if I can move that just a little. Got like a little jingle inside, I just noticed. How's everybody doing crafting? Or are you crafting for Christmas? Or what will you be doing? I think I can get that in there. Well, we'll see. Take this one out. See, that glue didn't stick all that well. I got the glue sticks at the Dollar Tree. Maybe that's the problem. Not really. I don't really like these glue sticks. Oh, I could have laid it down like that, but hard working in a very small little area here. Probably burn my fingers now. Just get right to the end and give it a burn. Well, am I gonna get it? There, I got it in. How cute is that? Look at that. Now, what I thought I would do, I gotta let this set up just a little bit. Just a little bit, I've got to let it set up. That might not be a good thing. Okay, I'm going to bring you back when I'm all set up. Okay, another last minute thought. I thought I would trim the bottom with this. That would look kind of cute like that. I have red. I should have thought about that, but I didn't. We're just going to wing with what I got, right? Right. Burn my fingers on the way, maybe. Hope not. Not like I said, I'm not real happy with this little glue gun here. Maybe I'm just used to a great big one. Well, I think it's big anyways. Okay. Oh goodness, now where am I gonna put this? I don't want to put anything on my nice tablecloth. Okay, what we're gonna do, ow, 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 honey glue. No, Maggie, it's all right. I'm all set. Maggie didn't like that at all. Well, let's see here. This may be a difficult task. Well, kind of looks like it's going to be a difficult task. Maybe I won't put it on. Okay, we're going to just go like this. Right around. And there you have it. Right there. See if I can, I guess it is hot. Look what I just did. Oh, wow. Maniac Grammy. Yep. Well, I guess it's hotter than what I think it is. Wowza. I wonder if it was hot on my, now we're gonna start making messes. Okay, let's not make a mess, Brenda. Let's do it nice and neat here. I don't like to make messes. I'd rather not do it if I'm gonna make a mess. There. Oh gosh, I don't know what I just dropped, but I hope Maggie doesn't get it, and by the time I get down to get it. It doesn't look too bad. Nah. Not too bad at all. Now, as I was hopping around like a jackrabbit, I dumped some of the snow. So now what we're gonna do is tip this upside down. And guess what? We got a problem. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. The bells would not fit with the cover. I've got the trim on the bottom. I left the gold pieces on the bottom. I thought maybe it might give it some sparkle. Then I come up with the idea. I bought these bag of red and gold fillers. Thank God, when I buy, I kind of go crazy at times, but I live like you just can't go into the store in 5 minutes. You got to travel to get to the store. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick balls on the tree. And that's going to be my backup plan. Not that I like to have a backup plan, but you know, sometimes we never know. We're just gonna put it on like this. I can't see because kind of get you going that way, but that's okay. See if I can whip these right through here. I gotta be careful because I don't have all that many of them, but that's okay. We'll make it work one way or the other. Like I said, that's why they call it a craft and an art, because everybody's got their own way of doing things. And if we all did it the same, it'd be pretty boring now, wouldn't it? Whoa, I thought it was in there. This is very tedious work, by the way. It's okay, it's all good. We're gonna do this. You can see I got a buildup of glue on my fingers. I've burnt a few times. Yeah, that's what she's looking at. I was gonna try to keep it at 12 minutes, but I think I'm gonna go over with all my little mistakes that I made. Hey, but that's okay. That's how we learn. So if somebody else wants to try this, they'll say, no, we can't do this. We saw a video, doesn't work. I was gonna put Color Street Christmas wraps on my fingers. Good thing I didn't, huh? I'd be a mess. I think we're just barely gonna have enough. That's good. All is good. Oh, God is good all the time. See, he helped me get out of this mess, didn't he? Let me see here. Oops, got my finger stuck here. I think I'll do a ball right here. Don't think we have any more. So there you have it, like that. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna, I think I'll bring you back because I want that to set up first. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Hopefully it works. I don't know if I'm gonna need more snow than that. Almost thinking not. I'll just put a little dab, will do ya. We're gonna flip this upside down. Whoops, something came off. There, it's gonna work. There you have it. So if you like Grammy's craft, give me a thumbs up. You never know what's gonna be on my videos. Oh, wait. We have one more thing to do. Where is it? Don't know if it's gonna work. Another thought that came to my brain is see if we could put lights on it. Can we do it? The clock is crunching. Let me bring you back. Okay, this is what I did, is I put the lights inside here. I'm not sure it's gonna work, but I think this is so darn cute. Look how that stayed right on the tree. How good is that? I don't know if it's gonna work. It may not. I may wished I hadn't done it. I don't know. Come on, Brenda. Nice and easy here. Nice and easy. I can't tell if it's being threaded on right or wrong. There. Look at that. I don't like that in front. Don't know. Whoops, malfunction with lights. Look at that. So there you have it right there. Guess what? My lights are flickering. What do you, all that work. What do you think? Look at that. There, finicky lights. Well, I'm gonna bring you back when it's dark and we'll see how it looks. But what do you think? With lights or without lights? There you have it right there. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow.